Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you are signed into the same Apple ID on every device. This is crucial because messages in iCloud syncs per account. Once done, make sure two-factor authentication is enabled and each device has a passcode. Apple requires these for security and keychain access. Now connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug into power so uploads and downloads don't pause. Finally, check available iCloud storage, so message attachments won't be blocked during initial sync. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap your name, go to iCloud, and turn on Messages. This instructs Apple to store and sync your message database. On a Mac, open Messages, choose Preferences, go to iMessage, and click Enable Messages in iCloud. Signing in with the same Apple ID links the two. Once both devices show enabled, the system begins an initial sync. Watch the status. It will show progress for messages and attachments. Make sure both devices stay online until the % reaches completion. To finish, verify the newest messages and attachments appear across your devices. Open recent threads and confirm timestamps match. If things lag, sign out of iMessage on each device, restart them, then sign back in. This often forces a fresh sync. Make sure iCloud storage isn't full and that all devices run the latest iOS or Mac OS because version mismatches can block syncing. One key troubleshooting tip: if attachments are missing, enable Wi-Fi and leave the device plugged in. Downloads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.